Yo, this one here is gonna be a special episode. As you guys know, I've done an unboxing in the past of my CARMINA double monk in brown suede. Also last week, in the video, the top 10 shoe brands between $300 and $500, CARMINA came in at number 1. Well, CARMINA heard about it. Their people got in contact with my people and they sent me a pair of shoes just to unbox. I'm lying my ass off, bro. Yo, I have 200 subscribers, man. CARMINA ain't never heard of me, bro. Oh, long story short, I took one of my clients to the CARMINA store in New York City. He bought a pair of shoes and he's a really big fan of the channel. So he wanted me to do an unboxing of his shoes. Shout out to my dude Thor. Intro. Can't believe you went for that one, man. CARMINA got in touch with my people. Now with 200 subscribers that didn't. Who I look like to you, Krabby Allison? Oh my god, that's funny. You should come rolling my Yo, what up? My name is Vladimir Riché from ChaseandRider.com. Last week I did a video on the top 10 shoe brands between $300 and $500. The number 1 shoe brand on that countdown was CARMINA Shoemaker. So naturally this week I'm doing an unboxing of a pair of semi-brogue in dark brown from CARMINA. If you're not new to this channel, you know that I've done an unboxing of a pair of CARMINA shoes before. It was my pair of double monk strap in brown suede. If you haven't seen it, I'll link it somewhere up here. I'll also include it in the descriptions below. Without further ado, let's get to these shoes. So first we have the model number, which is 10051. Second, you have the size, which is 9 UK. You guys know I wear 7 UK, so those definitely aren't my shoes. The last, which is rain. That's the same exact last as the shoes that I did the first unboxing on. And the color is maroon, which means brown. In this case, dark brown. Alright, let's get to it. CARMINA shoes always come with 2 shoe bags in their trademark bright red color. So we're gonna take those off. And here they are. These shoes are cap toe. They're what's called a semi-brogue. The broguing are the holes that you see running along the toe cap, on the vamp, and also on the heel counter here. The color is a dark brown. That's the darkest brown that CARMINA carries. The shoes come with flat laces. Like if you know me, you know that I love flat laces over round laces. These shoes are made on the Rain Last. The Rain Last is one of the most popular CARMINA lasts. The Rain Last is what's considered a soft square last. The great thing about the Rain Last, being that it's so popular, you can buy other shoes just based off of that. I buy a lot of my shoes online, so I'm not always able to try them on. But being that I know what size I take in the Rain Last, and based off of that, they can dictate what shoe I should take with their brand. So far it's been a foolproof way of me buying shoes online without being able to try them on. Now back to these shoes. Shoes come with a medallion. The medallion is the perforation that you see on the toe cap, the decoration here. Now one thing to keep in mind, the more holes that a shoe has, the less formal the shoe is. I'm not saying that you can wear these shoes with a suit. They're actually made to be worn with a suit, but they're not the most formal shoes that you can get based on all the perforations that the shoe has. This is a really nice pair of shoes. One thing about me must be the way that I walk, but the first part that usually gets worn out is the very tip of the sole. One thing that I like about CARMINA is they put 5 nails at the tip to help minimize the damage when you walk. Now, it's not exactly what you would call a metal toe tap. A metal toe tap usually does a much better job. If you're not familiar with a metal toe tap, this is what I'm referring to right here. A quick background on CARMINA. CARMINA is made in Spain and they've been making shoes since 1866. So they've been around for a very, very long time. CARMINA makes shoes in a bunch of different lasts and a bunch of different leather. In my first CARMINA unboxing, I explained how CARMINA uses some of the best suede in the shoe industry. Their regular leather is also of really high quality. CARMINA shoes retail for $450. I live in New York and they have a store in New York where we're able to go in and try on their shoes. One thing that I really love about CARMINA shoes, at least in my experience, you don't really have to break them in. Like some shoes, you have to wear them a few times before they start feeling really comfortable. CARMINA, on the other hand, assuming you got the right size and the right last for your feet, the shoes feel comfortable from day one. Just to nitpick a little bit, one small complaint that my client had is he wished that the dark brown was even darker. At first I didn't really know what he was talking about because I thought those shoes was pretty dark, until I put them next to another dark brown shoes from another maker. And I'm not sure if you can really see it, if the camera is really catching it well, but those shoes here in my left hand are definitely darker than the CARMINA that's in my right hand. As I was saying, this is really nitpicking. This is a really nice brown color. It does look like it has a little bit of a burgundy tint to it. That's something that you only notice when you're holding it next to another pair of dark brown shoes. This is a really beautiful pair of shoes, and you can see why CARMINA came in at #1 in my top 10 list of the top shoes between $300 and $500. I'm not gonna keep these shoes much longer because I know that my client is dying to wear them. So that was the unboxing of a CARMINA Semi Brogue in dark brown on the Rain Last. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe, or everybody gonna think that you're a hater. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.